Welcome back to Monthly Mini. Each month, we take the free mini and focus on one simple idea. For January, we're working on the Battleclade Servitor and aiming for one bright moment. Here are the paints I'm using this month. Anything close works. The idea matters more than the exact colors. If you don't have these exact paints, just match the feel. I started by base coating the whole model black to keep the palette controlled. This gives us a clean starting point and makes the next steps easier. Right now, I'm just blocking in base colors. No details, no highlights. At this stage, clean coverage matters more than precision. As we block in the metallics here, we just want clean coverage before we worry about anything else. This is our first wash phase. It's just here to add depth into the recesses. Oh, don't leave that pot open. Definitely don't want to spill this, he says as he proceeds to leave the pot open. I'm moving fast to get it on, then slowing down so it settles where I want. It looks rough up close. That's normal. We'll clean it up after it dries. Once the wash is dry, I'm going to start blocking in the skin. Flesh tones behave a lot like white. Thin, even layers matter. This usually takes a few passes, but thin layers help keep it smooth. If it looks streaky at first, that's fine. Multiple passes will smooth it out. If you're enjoying Monthly Mini, consider subscribing. I come back to this once a month, and I'd love to paint the next one with you. Now add a quick wash over your skin tones to add depth and a little bit of worn-in feeling. Now I'm switching to the green. This is the focal point of the model. I'm using a dark green, a mid-tone, and a highlight because that range is what makes the green feel bright instead of flat. Everything else stays muted, so this color can stand out. This contrast is what makes a single bright moment work. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Let's take a look at how it all comes together.